And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 141. Let me show you how we can create a Mezzotint effect. It's fairly easy to use as we've got a filter for it. So let's go to filter, it's under pixelate, simply called Mezzotint. The menu is easy to use, we can zoom in and out. Let me zoom to this position where we can see the effect. And then in the drop down you simply select the type and the effect will be applied then. If you confirm we are okay. It depends on the image that you've got, what you should use as a type. You can see that here some don't really work because they create too much of these effects. For example here, long lines, I think that works on this image. It's usually the relation between the brighter and the darker parts of your image that make these specific types work or not work. But that's all there is. Once again, it's under filter, pixelate, and there you'll find it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.